Alright guys, welcome to Hanging with Heavy. Today, we're gonna have a very special treat. Last night we figured out there was a critter in our attic, so Heavy's going up to investigate. We got us a Havahart, and if all else fails, we'll be heading up with a pellet gun to take her out, figuring it's a squirrel or something, but we're gonna go up there, and being a big guy, I don't like crawling around in attics, especially with a crazed critter on the loose. So we'll be taking the GoPro up and see what we can find. So Hanging with Heavy brought to you by boatloans.com. For all your marine financing needs, please visit boatloans.com. Here's our Havahart. My buddy could have got me a bigger one. So hopefully it's not something that big that's going to be in there. And then we got our bait. Everything loves peanut butter, right? So we're going to go up. We'll go up into the attic and go from there. Anything coming on top of me. Yes, I'm a big wuss. Heart's gone cold, your hands were tied. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Why'd you have to go and let it die? Why'd you have to go and let it die? In too deep and out of time. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Never think of me. You're so considerate. Did you ever think of me? Oh, so considerate. In too deep and lost in time. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Beautiful veins and bloodshot eyes. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Heart's gone cold and hands are tied. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Why'd you have to go and let it die? Do you ever think of me? You're so considerate. Did you ever think of me? Oh, so considerate. In too deep and lost in time. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Beautiful veins and bloodshot eyes. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Heart's gone cold and hands are tied. Why'd you have to go and let it die? Why'd you have to go and let this die? Why'd you have to go and let this die? Why'd you have to go and let this die? Why'd you have to go and let this die? Why'd you have to go and let it die? Some tasty peanut butter for you, Mr. Goldberg, Squirrel, Raccoon, Possum, whatever you may be. Come up here and listen. You'll be right in my face.
I used to be such a sweet, sweet thing till they got a hold of me. I opened doors for little old ladies. I helped the blind to see. I got no friends 'cause they read the papers. They can't be seen with me, and I'm getting real shot down, and I'm feeling mean. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more Mr. Clean.
Well, it's the next morning. We didn't hear anything last night. But we're gonna go up into the attic and see if we got any critter in our traps. So doesn't sound like it because nothing's moving around. So what we think is it actually got scared out the night we were in there, but that leaves us a dilemma of how something got in there. So we'll see what we can find, and we'll go from there.
Mr. Nice Guy, they say he's sick, he's a sea